What's up, everybody? Brian Mann here, Hands-On Auto Training. It is March 9th, 2022, very early morning. I got a big day ahead of me. I am playing catch-up. If you haven't been following what's going on, Kansas City Vision was ending on Sunday. I was supposed to be home on Sunday night. I didn't get home till Monday evening late, so that didn't work out as well as I hoped. Therefore, all my jobs I had planned for Monday, well, I'm trying to play catch up yesterday, and I'm running hard today. So, guys, I got two vehicles for you today. I actually worked on a bunch of other stuff, but the two vehicles I'm showing you are the, I guess, the interesting ones, if you call it interesting, for some green wires, or corroded wires. Let's take a look. Check engine light, always checking for that. I'm going to try cranking one more time. All right, so taking a look here at scan data, you see our fuel rail pressure is at 0 kPa. So we're back probed into our power. I got the scope down here. You can see our blue trace is at about 12 volts, which is about battery voltage right now. The next one over in this corner, not the corner, but this is your blue and green. This is a ground, so we're going to check that. On our ground, we're expecting very low voltage, right? I'm probed in there, and we have very low voltage on the... Now let's check our other two wires. I don't know which one's which. There is a, I guess this would be probably terminal number 2 right here. We're probed in there. And we're up at 12 volts. This wire here is another wire there. So this one by my thumbnail right there had 12 volts. And you see this one has 0 volts. So we're back down to 0. The diagrams didn't really line up for where everything is. It said the fuel pump control module should be at the very back of the vehicle, but it's actually here. So let's go over to here. Somebody already pre-conveniently poked some holes for me. There's these two control wires right here. We're going to probe into one. There's already a hole there. And probe into the one. You can see we have 12 volts. And I'm back probed into the second one. And we have 12 volts. So we have 12 volts of difference between this wire and this wire right here. But over here we have 12 volts on both wires. There's no difference in potential, therefore the pump won't run. So we have an open circuit. It looks like probably on the low side of this fuel pump control. So I gotta take a look at that. Alright guys, I'm bypassing that right now, and we have this thing running. I don't know if you can see or hear, but we got a runner. Okay, so now that Ford truck was challenging for me because the service information said for an aft tank, which just had the tank way in the back. I believe that's the wide frame. A narrow frame would be the dually, if I'm not mistaken. This was the wide frame. The frame was the same width, if you will, all the way along the chassis. It said that the fuel pump control module should have been back behind the tank, actually, way in the back. But this fuel pump control module was actually above the evap vent canister. It was replaced with a aftermarket part of some sort. That part's back on there, but anyhow, we had a wiring issue between that fuel pump control module and the fuel pump itself. I did get a shielding. I found a way to shield the repair wires that I put. I reran the 2 fuel pump wires, and that was good. We got ourselves a 2018 Chevy Express. We're setting a P0. What was it? Hold on. I forgot what it was. Guys, I believe we're setting a P018D. I think is it the code. Let's see. TTC. Yeah. Oh, P018C. Oh, come on, camera focus. There we go. So this code here will, this is for the fuel rail pressure. Or fuel line pressure, I believe. I mean, I think they call it fuel pressure, actually, is the PID. But taking a look here, if we go to the data display, you will see that we are in a chassis control module, and fuel pressure sensor is at 0 volts. Guys, just so you know, the fuel rail pressure sensor on the service information says it's back by the tank, which is actually right about here is where it's located. I unplugged it, nothing changed. But this is a big truck, so we go all the way back here to our chassis control module, way back here. And let's see if this will zoom in and focus. I started going in here. We got ourselves some broken wires. I think this is our signal wire right here. Hopefully you guys can see the green magic going on. Alright, we've got our wire heat shrink and tube here. So that's all set. We should be in good shape. Let's check our voltage. And you can see here, okay, now we're reading some voltage on our fuel pressure sensor, so that's cool. Hey, thanks a lot for taking the time to watch. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Hit the like button, thumbs up, notification bell, all that good stuff. You guys have a great day. I gotta go.